be honest with you. This week sucked. I had to get up in front of the company on Monday and explain why that line, which is how many people use ARC 5 days a week, at least 5 days a week, really hard number to move. It's been growing nonstop since we started giving ARC to people. 10% a week on average, even 12, I think 12% every single week. We go to all hands on Monday. I get up in front of the company and we get to see this number going up and up and up and up. The only exception historically has been for the holidays, which is a natural dip, and then it came right back, as you can see on this line over here. And then today, this week, this past Monday, I had to explain that. And what was so frustrating about that basically flat week over week growth line was it was an unforced error. It wasn't that we are having record growth. People are more excited to try and use ARC than ever before. And we shipped an update that had a bad crash. You literally opened the app and for some people it crashed. And certain parts of ARC are getting too slow. And so we put out these videos. We're optimistic. We're earnest. We're excited to tell you about everything that we're working on and why it's going to be awesome. And the thing that we've always promised you is we're going to be honest through and through. And honestly, we need to do better than we did this past week. We care a lot about what we're building and how it's a reflection of what we care about. We have this value, heartfelt intensity, show up with heartfelt intensity. And that means putting our heart and soul into everything we do. And it's just clear from this past week, we have not been doing that with the most important thing that matters, which is performance, stability, and just the feeling that ARC is unbelievably reliable and unbelievably snappy, and you can just fly around the internet in it. And this past week, we didn't do it, and we're not going to make that mistake again. And so I wanted to just record this quick video. Luckily, this didn't affect most of you. If it affected you, though, I just wanted to say we're sorry. We're really sorry. And we promise this is not going to happen again. Pretty much overnight now, the vast majority of the company is working on performance, is working on stability. We're going to take this from a ding into our calling card, and we're really excited about it. I mean, that's the thing, is as much as this Monday, getting up in front of the company and talking about this was not my favorite part of the job, it was a really important gut punch moment. We needed this, and we needed this wake-up call. And it's an exciting one because the reason we're having these performance and stability challenges, or not even challenges, but this week, is because we're growing really quickly, and we're growing really quickly because you all love what we've built and are telling us that we're on to something and are telling us to keep going. So we're going to do that. And I just wanted to say to everyone listening, everyone watching, I promise you, this is our spring cleaning. ARC is about to become really fucking fast, and it's going to be really stable. And we're going to make that, we're going to put our same heartfelt intensity and making them feel something, values into speed and reliability as we have everything else. And I'm sorry if this past week it impacted you. I promise you that we're going to turn it around right away. And we're just really, really grateful for all of you cheering us along the way. So next time, actually keep an eye out, ARC Internet on Twitter. We're going to ship in public as we always do. We're going to celebrate our perf and stability prototypes just as much as our product features. It's that time in our company's maturation. We're excited to be here. And yeah, hope you have a great week.
Make it run again. Spring cleaning, getting ready for love.